Bubble tea, the tasty trend explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a delicious topic that has taken the world by storm: bubble tea. This drink, which some of you might know as boba tea, has its own unique story, taste, and cultural significance. So, if you're curious about what bubble tea is, where it comes from, and why it's so popular, keep watching as we dive into the bubbly world of this tasty treat. Bubble tea is a sweet, tea-based drink that originated in Taiwan in the 1980s. It's typically made with a tea base mixed with milk or fruit flavors, and most notably, it contains tapioca pearls, which are chewy, gelatinous balls made from tapioca starch. The bubble in bubble tea can refer to two things: the tapioca pearls at the bottom and the frothy bubbles on top created when the tea is shaken. Let's break down the key ingredients of bubble tea. Tea base. This can be any kind of tea, like black, green, or oolong. Milk or fruit flavor. To sweeten the tea, milk, powdered milk, or fruit syrup is added. Tapioca pearls. These are the signature of bubble tea and give it its distinctive appearance and texture. Sweetener. Often, sugar syrup is used to add sweetness to the drink. Ice. It's usually served cold with ice, making it a refreshing choice on a hot day. Bubble tea comes in many forms, so there's a flavor and style for everyone. Some popular varieties include classic milk tea, the original, with black tea and milk. Fruit tea, made with fruit flavors instead of milk. Cheese tea, topped with a creamy cheese foam. Taro bubble tea, made with the flavor of taro root, giving it a purple color. Making bubble tea at home is fun and easy. You just need to prepare the tea, cook the tapioca pearls, mix in your desired flavors, and add ice. Then, get ready to enjoy a cup of your homemade bubble tea. Bubble tea isn't just a drink. It's a cultural phenomenon. It's a symbol of modern Taiwanese culture and has sparked a global trend, with bubble tea shops popping up all over the world. It's popular among people of all ages and has inspired a variety of spin-off products and creative variations. I hope you enjoyed learning about bubble tea and feel inspired to try out this sweet, trendy beverage yourself. Whether you like your tea milky, fruity, or with a unique twist, there's a bubble tea out there for you. So, go out there, get yourself a bubble tea, and join the boba movement. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos on English language and culture. See you next time.